Hey guys, welcome to our liver video. In this video I'm going to show you the liver presets that we have along with the tumor and vessel wall presets. So let's get started with my liver that contains a lot of parts, so I will disassemble it and look at all these parts. This is the liver tissue. For this preset I will go to the family General Anatomy. The element is liver and I have 4 options of thicknesses. The liver contains tissue matrix and gel matrix mixed together with a coating of Agilus. So for this preset I'm going to use moderately stiff. This part is the tumor. The tumor contains mixture of Agilus and Vero materials. So I'm going to the family General Anatomy. The element is solid tumor. And we have 4 types of stiffnesses of the tumor. For this I chose soft encapsulated tumor. Here we have all the inside vessels of the liver. For all of them I chose the family blood vessel. The element is vessel wall. And here I have 6 different stiffnesses of the vessel. So for this I chose moderately compliant with magenta. These presets are a mixture of Agilus and Veros in different colors, depends on what I have in my printer. This is the main vein of the liver. So for that I chose the blood vessel family, vessel wall, and the compliance I chose the rigid one. And the last part is the part that fills the inside cavity of this vessel. So I chose gel support like in the myocardium video. I can choose the gel support from the structural heart family or from the blood vessels family. And that's it. Now my liver is done. I can assemble it again and it's ready for print.